Meet the 2026 Renault Duster. New look, new vibes, and a color palette ready for any adventure. Let's find your perfect match. First up, pearl white. It's clean, classic, and that subtle metallic shimmer keeps it looking premium while reflecting the heat on those long summer drives. Stealth black. This one is aggressive, bold, and gives the Duster a powerful, ready-for-anything stance that definitely turns heads in the city. Moonlit Silver. The ultimate low-maintenance hero. It highlights the Duster's sharp new design lines and is easily the best at hiding dust after a weekend on the trails. Sunset red. Pure energy. This vibrant metallic is designed for those who want to stand out and bring a sporty, youthful edge to their daily commute. Mountain Jade Green. This is the 2026 signature shade. It's earthy, adventurous, and perfectly captures the Duster's rugged spirit in a modern, sophisticated way. River blue. Deep, calm, and professional. This shade brings a touch of European elegance to the SUV, looking just as good at the office as it does off-road. Mountain Jade Green with a stealth black roof. The flagship look. The black contrast adds a tactical, high-end feel that makes the launch edition truly iconic. River blue with a stealth black roof. It's the floating roof effect at its finest, sleek, modern, and arguably the most stylish combination in the entire lineup. Sunset red with a stealth black roof. High contrast and high impact. This pairing gives the Duster a hot hatch attitude with all the capability of a full-sized SUV. Pearl white with a stealth black roof. The classic panda look. It's a striking, futuristic combination that offers both practicality and a premium, dual-tone aesthetic. 10 options, 1 Duster. Which one is going in your driveway? Let us know in the comments.